Are you curious why everyone says bless you when you sneeze? Let's unravel this mystery together. So why do we say bless you? The origins are pretty fascinating. Some say it started in ancient Rome. When people sneezed, they believed it was their soul trying to escape. Bless you was like a little prayer to keep your soul safe. Other folks think it dates back to the plague in the 6th century. Sneezing was a symptom, and Pope Gregory XI suggested saying God bless you to protect against getting sick. Talk about an early form of social distancing. And then there's the idea that sneezing was seen as your heart stopping for a second. Saying bless you was a way to welcome you back to the land of the living. No matter the reason, saying bless you has stuck around for centuries. So next time someone sneezes, you'll know there's a whole lot of history in those two little words. Gesundheit.